Did you know with Golden Ticket VIP membership, you get access to the golden tickets before they're made to the public? Did you know with our Golden Ticket VIP membership, you get access to calls before we put it in our free candy section? Did you know with your Golden Ticket VIP membership, you get access to whitelists only offered to Golden Ticket members? Did you know with your Golden Ticket VIP membership, you get access to VIP voice chats available only to paying members? Did you know with your Golden Ticket VIP membership, you get access to some of our favorite developers for a one-on-one? Did you know with our Golden Ticket VIP membership, you get opportunities to come in and feel like one of the team on our Oompa Loompa job board? Did you know with Golden Ticket VIP membership, you're also able to get paid to tweet and help us make memes? Did you know with Golden Ticket VIP membership, you're able to get paid to do what you're already doing to pump your own bags? Did you know with Golden Ticket VIP membership, you can get paid for the shilling that you're already doing?